Today I am reviewing these Sonic Mole Repeller. This was sent to me to review and I thank them for that. It uses vibrations and ultrasonic waves to repel gophers and other pests from your yard, keep your garden good. And not so much that I mind the gophers, we have about an acre here. It's that my dogs dig up everything to get to them, and they do get them, but not enough in the yard. I think the dogs actually do more damage. They are solar powered. They come with this stake. You want them about 1 to 2 inches above the ground. They have an on-off switch right here. You can see the little solar panel right there. So you're going to want to install them somewhere where they're getting full sun, especially since the solar panel is not tilted to take advantage of the sun. You can see, watching you turn it on. Let me show near the mic. That's the sound they make. So that it will make a weird sound if you're walking around your yard every bit. So nice on and off button. You want to dig a hole to put these in the ground. You don't want to just shove, because this is plastic, you don't want to shove this right into the ground. So you want to put something in there. See, about every 20 seconds it makes that sound. Isn't that fun? Now I understand why the gophers would not like these. Let's go get them installed. As you can see, they're having a field day here. I mean, look at, he's waiting for this one. So we definitely have a problem. See, and all of this is what I want to try to prevent. Look at how much of this. I mean, he's having fun, but look at all this. They're just digging up this yard trying to get at these gophers. Let's go ahead and get these installed and see if it can help. I'm just going to take a little shovel, go over the side, turn this on, and then backfill it. And then it's good to go. All right, so I got them installed. It says that they cover up to 7,500 feet. So a 4-pack should be good, even for my large yard. You can see Teddy Bear is interested in the sounds they make. I got one here. I'm just putting them all in the problem area to try them out. Over here and another down there. And they are making their little sounds. And let's hope it helps my yard. You can see he dug up that hole pretty good. I'm trying to get rid of those things. I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.